Sean Curtis, the Service Director of Cable Dahmer Kia Lease Summit. You spoke, we listened. Come inside and I'll show you what we did. You've told us, gave us some feedback. We've listened and we've added things. So first thing we're gonna come to is our new state-of-the-art service drive. We've added the Hunter quick line checkers. So both of these lanes will actually allow us to check your alignment before your car even comes to a stop. It shines lasers off of the vehicle. It takes a picture of your license plate, gets the VIN number off of that so we can tell whether your vehicle's in spec or not, just to make sure that if you have an alignment issue we can take care of for you before your tires wear out, we can take care of you there. We have our quick lane center where we can do our oil changes and tire rotations so we can take care of you in an hour or less. Our video multi-point inspection so you can visually see what's wrong with your vehicle, and then we'll get the vehicle returned back on the service drive so that way we can get you out of here as quickly as possible. So one of the things you told us is it's hard to get a hold of a service advisor. So we listened. So this is now our third renovation, and we now have 10 advisor stations for our advisors to be at. We have our lane manager, we have our production manager, and we have our connect pickup and delivery manager all here on the service drive for you. So one of the things you said is dealerships aren't transparent. So we've done a couple things to make sure that no matter what you come in for, we're transparent. The first thing is our maintenance menu. So we've gone and built a comprehensive menu, and it's gonna actually have the out-the-door costs for the services. So there's no hidden fees, it's got taxes and everything all built into it. So exactly what you see is exactly what you pay. Also, one of the things we do is on your invoice, every time you come in, you're gonna have a free car wash. So our Lease Summit car wash location is right next door. You can also take this to our other two locations. One's on Nolan Road in Independence, the other one's at 435 in State Line. One of the issues that customers always have is my vehicle's broke down, I need to get to work, I have kids to take care of, I have stuff to do. Broke down cars are very inconvenient. So what we did, we stepped up our loaner fleet. We now have a 65 car loaner fleet to take care of you. Let's go take a look. Something else I didn't talk about, we do also have our Connect pickup and delivery service. So these are the vehicles that we can use to come to your place of business. We can go to your house. We can pick your vehicle up and return it back to you same day. It's free of charge within 25 miles. Just another free service that we have to be able to take care of you and make the inconvenience of maintenance and repairs as convenient as possible. We also have a very large loaner fleet. Here's our vehicles here. Got them all lined up and pretty for you. So whenever you need one, we're more than likely gonna have something for you to accommodate any of your needs. So we added 19 additional stalls to be able to take care of you. So this is almost the same facility that we had over there. It's just state-of-the-art and new. So we added 2 additional alignment machines. They're all Hunter state-of-the-art current. We added 2 additional tire machines, additional brake lathe, and additional tire balancer. We have a total of 6 master certified technicians. All of our lifts are in ground except for our EV certified racks. So we do have 7 EV certified technicians at this dealership as well. We also do 3M. Some people call it PPF, paint protection. So they're gonna do the 3M Expel, which is gonna be your door edge guards. It's gonna be the front end wrap to make sure to present stone nicks. They're also gonna do our window tinting for us. So what we've done, we've added to our facility. We've added service advisors, we've continued to train, we continue to update our facility. We find more transparent ways to communicate with you so you can see exactly what's going on with your car, so you can continue to build that trust and long-term relationship with us. That's what we're here for. I wanna earn your business, I wanna earn your trust. Thank you so much for choosing Cable Dahmer, and I'll see you next time.